How to log in chess.com account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into chess.com online account. For that, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for chess.com. Once you're here, you can directly play online or play computer. However, you can also log into your account. For that, click on the login option. Now over here, you will have to enter your login credentials such as username or email, then enter your password. If you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says remember me. Click on this option forgot password if you want to reset your password. Now click on the login option after you've entered all the credentials. Or you can also log in using your Apple account, your Google account, or your Facebook account. If you are new to this, click on this link in order to sign up. Now you can click on sign up or continue with Google or Apple account. If you click on sign up, you will have to select your chess skill level, then enter your email address. After that, create a password and now click on the continue option, and in this way you can create a new chess.com account, and this is how you can log into your chess.com account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.